This video is for the using databases assignment. You should be on the assignment, and first what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and in the new tab you're going to go to hmslibrarymedia.weebly.com. Then what you're going to do is rest your pointer over resources, click on online databases. You're then going to click the first option, Gale Databases Full Suite, and then you're going to type in a topic and hit enter. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to filter your results. So it's going to come up with a bunch of different articles. And what you're going to do is click on where it says sort by and choose relevance, and then choose if you want a news article, academic journal, book. So I'm just going to click on academic journals, and then find an article that that looks kind of interesting. So then what you're going to do is click on the article and scroll down to the bottom of the article, and you're going to copy the source citation. So just the stuff underneath where it says source citation. Click and drag to highlight it, hit Control-C on your keyboard, click back over to your work, and then click under question 1, two-finger click on your touchpad and choose paste without formatting. Then what you're going to do is summarize what the article is about in your own words. So I'm just going to click back over to the article and scroll up to the beginning. We're going to read through it. Again, don't read it as fast as I am. But then what you're going to do is you're going to include kind of a 4 to 5 sentence summary of what the article is about. So just to kind of show you an example. Here's an example where there's 4 sentences that tell this article is about, the article discusses, then they discuss, finally. Next, what we're going to do is tell the ways that our search was narrowed. So we're going to click back over to our article, and we're going to click the back button so that we get back to the search. And if you need to, scroll up to the top. So first it says sort by relevance. Which basically what that means is that it looked for articles that had the words year-round school the most. So just to go back over to your work, you're going to put a sentence similar to this, and then you also want to tell the content type and how you limited the search. So for the content type, we chose academic journal. So then we're just going to put kind of what that means, that we used an academic journal. So I'm just going to go back over to your work and type in something similar to this. I chose academic journal for the content type, meaning it was written by professional educators. And then finally what we're going to do is tell how we limited it. So if we click back over to the article and we see that it says limited by full text, what that means is that it's only showing full articles. So just going to click back over to our work, and I limited the search by full text, meaning it would only show full articles and not summaries of articles. Next, we're going to answer question 4. Did our source come from a larger collection of works, such as a newspaper or journal? If so, tell where it came from here. So if we look back at our articles, so we're just going to click back over to the article that we used. So you're going to go back to the article, and then scroll down to the source citation again, and whatever appears in italics after the title. So there's the title, District Administration. So that's the name of the academic journal that it came from. So we're going to click back over to our work, and then you're going to just include a sentence that tells the name of the academic journal that it came from, which in this case was District Administration. So we're just going to put something like what we see here. Then what you're going to do is answer why are database articles generally considered to be a reliable source of information, and be specific. So databases are written by professionals and they're generally checked for accuracy. So we're just going to put in a sentence that looks similar to this. And then finally give an example of how you can use a database article in a research project for another class besides digital literacy. So basically, any kind of research project for social studies or science class. So here's an example. And please make sure that you don't copy these exactly. You want to put things into your own words. And that's it.